video, I'm super excited to share with you guys an application that I've actually never shared before. And of course, I want to share it with you today because our method for today is super great. It's going to make you over $500 to a shocking $1,000 income. And the step one is to click on What's up, everybody, and welcome back to the Money Shark channel. We post new and exciting money-making videos every single day, so make sure that you like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already, and make sure to hit that notification bell to be notified every time we have a new video up so you can be the first to know and try it out. Our app for today will be available for both iOS and Android devices, and it's free to download. And I'm going to show you 3 different apps. The first 2, which is going to be it's going to pay you to install them so you can maximize your results and make as much money as you possibly can. And the last one as well that I'm going to be showing you. The first 2 apps, it's going to help you earn some passive money for free because, as I've mentioned, all you have to do is install them. So I'm going to show you these 2 apps first, and then I'm going to show you the third app that we have that's never been shared before, and it's going to pay you $1,000 for free. Now let's jump right into the video. So before I show you the app that'll actually pay you, I want to show you some other apps, as I said at the beginning of the video. So in total, I'm going to show you 3 different apps in today's video. To be clear, I'm going to be discussing all of the parts. So in the first part of today's video, I'm going to show you the different applications that's going to pay you to do absolutely nothing. All you have to do is install them and leave them alone, do their thing. Then you can concentrate on the last application that I'm going to show you. So this is the app that's going to be able to earn you $500. First, I'll mention the 2 free apps that's going to make you passive income. Yes, you heard that correctly. The first 2 apps that's going to pay you to do nothing at all. All you have to do is install them. Then I'm going to show you the third app, which is going to pay you over $700. So the third app is going to be the best part. So I really encourage you guys to watch until the very end of today's video so you don't miss anything. As I've mentioned before, this one for this channel, it's going to be amazing. So the first app we're going to be using is the one right here. And this is their official website, but we'll obviously just install it directly onto our device. Basically, it's a free software that's going to help you make some money online by getting SMS created by the system and consumers. All you need to do is download it into your mobile phone. You're going to create an account, and it's going to send you random SMS messages. And you don't have to respond to any of those. They're just going to send you text messages, and as I mentioned, you're going to be paid for each one that you're going to receive. So basically, you can come on here, work, and read more about how it works. But this one only works for Android. So keep watching because the following apps are going to work for both iOS and Android. And once again, this only works for Android. So if you have an iOS device, it's probably not going to work. So their application is exclusive to Android because only Android allows you to read SMS. All you have to do now is to install your app and just wait to get paid. And this is how much they tell you about how secure their application is. Their app doesn't read any of your data. They won't sneak around your private messages or use any of your data to steal information or whatever. They're going to read their own texts or SMS. Super safe. I've done so much research on it, and people are already talking about how much money they've made with it. Of course, they love how the system works because, as you can see, it's automatic. So you can earn money with the app without having to do anything. And they also have a wonderful recurrent program where you can earn 30% of your referrals profits. So if you connect a friend to this app or website using your link, they join and they can start making money. They're going to want to refer another friend, and they're going to earn $200, and you're going to earn $60 for completely free, passively. Now, you're going to be earning passive income from them. So yes, there are a lot of different ways to make passive income with the Money SMS app. Of course, this is super free. You're not going to have to invest or pay for anything, no hidden fees, because it's always going to be free. And you can learn more about how it works by signing up and start receiving automated text messages. Now, these are some examples of how it'll look inside the dashboard. And this is the referral code that you can share with your friends and your family. You can go on Facebook, on Twitter, and on Instagram. You can share it with Facebook groups regarding making money online. Maybe tell them that they can make passive income from that app. Then you're going to post your referral link, and you can still make passive income from your referrals. As you can see, the Money SMS app is legit, and they take all national matters seriously to ensure that they comply with the latest GDP or privacy policy requirements. Now, if you're not sure if they pay their users, you can check their payment proofs for many users on an independent website, and those business ratings you can read more about them on this website, and you can see that people are actually receiving money using this website. And as I mentioned, I've done so much research. The website does work, and the website that we're going to be using is called Money SMS App, if I haven't already mentioned it. Or you can go on the website moneysmsapp.com. I want you guys to leave a comment down below about where you're from, what devices you use, and what your preferred payment method is. In that way, I can focus on that when I make future videos for my lovelier subscribers. So let's keep going. Now our next program is called Cash Magnet or Cash Magnet app. You're going to install it on your Android phone. This only works for Android, but you have to stay tuned because the last application is going to be working on both iOS and Android. So you're going to get money from your Android phone, and they're going to pay you for every minute of the time when you do nothing. As you can see, you literally don't have to do anything because Cash Magnet combines all of the best reward programs that you want to play. So this one will pay you way more than the Money SMS app. We're basically going from the lowest paying app to the highest paying app so that you'll really stay. Now, you don't have to do anything, okay? You can just watch ads or play games and earn money in an entirely passive and autonomous manner. You may be sleeping, eating, working out, going outside, reading a book or the news, doing anything else that you do every day, and you're still going to get paid just to install the app, leaving your smartphone. You don't have to do anything else. So, get ready to earn several times more in only 3 months of work in the Cash Magnet. You're going to be able to buy a brand new phone that works for you 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. This is how thousands of their satisfied users do it. You can practically purchase an all new phone 3 months after using it. It's completely secure and ensure that your data and personal settings will not be accessed in any way. So make money by doing nothing with your phone. You may learn more about what Cash Magnet is and how it works and how it can help you make some money when you're not using your phone. You can leave your phone out and have the app put on it, and you're going to be earning money passively. Now, if you don't want to put this on your primary phone for whatever reason, you can install it on an old jammed spare phone. If you're loving today's video so far, make sure that you like, subscribe, and comment about what you're loving the most about our videos so far. It really helps the channel, and it makes us really happy to know if you do so. Just make sure you keep watching because we're almost done and you're almost going to start making money like wildfire. So let's continue. Now, before I give you guys the last app, which is the major app that's going to pay you over $1,000, I'm going to show you how you can install it on an old spare phone. The app that we're going to be using is this one right here, and I'm going to give you the app name in a second. But yes, this one is going to pay you over $1,000, so you're going to earn up to $700 to $1,000 in just a year just to listen to music. All you have to do is download it on your phone, and it's going to be available on both the Apple App Store and the Google Play Store. It's super simple. It's very exciting because you're going to get paid to listen to music. All you have to do is download the app, listen to the music, collect points. Now, the more you listen, the more you play, the more money you're going to be making. So basically, you're going to get paid to listen to music in your spare time, search and play from thousands of songs, plus your station to find your music and listen to it. It's that easy. You're just gonna get paid. You don't have to listen to some random song or genre from SoundCloud that you don't like. You can actually listen to the music that you genuinely enjoy and the music that you're genuinely interested in and still get paid. Obviously, you guys already listen to a lot of music every single day, but now you're gonna get paid to do so. So earn points by playing your favorite music, spend your points on your favorite brands, and much more. As you can see, this is available in many countries on this list, and then you're going to be able to download the app on your smartphone and start earning money. With this one, the app is called Current.us. The website name is Current.us, and the logo should look like this. You're going to find the app, then you're going to go to your Apple App Store, Google Play Store, search for it, download it, start listening, get paid. And that's pretty much it. Make sure you try all the websites, and I'll see you guys in the next one. If there's nothing else, then thank you guys again for watching today's video. We're so close to 60,000 subscribers, so make sure that you like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss a single video, because it would be a total bummer if you did. We hope you guys enjoyed today's video. We can't wait to make more, and we will see you in the next one. Have a great rest of the week.